Dear student, today's video is about HSK1 vocabulary words, and I will teach you HSK1 vocabulary words with my notes. This is how I learned HSK1. The first word is chew. Chew means to live, to dwell, to stay. Look at the radicals. Run. Run means man. Chew. Chew. Chew means male. Choose. Choose. Choose means table or desk. Choose character, and these are the radicals. Poo. Poo means divination. R. R means sun. Mu. Mu means tree. Z. Z means child. Z. Z. This character means letter, symbol, character or word. Z. It has radicals mian. Mians means roof. Z. Z means child. Look at these two words. These two words has different Chinese character and also different meaning. Zuo. Zuo means to do, to make, to produce. It has radicals. Ren means man. Shi means stand. Ho means mouth. Hu means knock. And also zuo. It has different character. It means to sit, to take a seat. The radicals are run means man. This character has two radicals of run. Run, man, to earth. Zamma. Zamma. Zamma means how, what, why. The radicals are ch means suddenly, shin means heart, ma means what. Zamma yang. Zamma yang means how. How about? How was it? How are things? The radicals are ch suddenly, shin heart, ma what, mu tree, yang sheep. Ch. Ch means this or these. The radicals are one. One means literature. Chuo. Chuo walk. Zhongguo. Zhongguo. Zhongguo means China, Middle Kingdom. It has radical zhong, middle, wei, enclosure, yu, jade. Zhongwu. Zhongwu. Zhongwu means noon, midday. It has radical zhong, middle, wu, afternoon. Is. Is. Is means chair. It has radical mu, tree, ta, big, thing, middle. Is. Is. Is means chair. It has radical mu, tree, ta, big, thing, male, adult. Ho, mouth. Z, child. Now we have yo. Yo means to have. There is to exist, to be. It has radical yue means moon. Yue. Yue means moon, month or monthly. Zai, zai. Zai means at, to exist. Zai. Zai means at, to exist. It has radical. Kun means line. Tu means earth. Zai jian. Zai jian means goodbye, see you again later. It has radical. Zai again, jian see. E. E means one. Itiar. Itiar. Itiar is a variant of Itian. Itian. Itian means a bit, a little. One dot, one point. Itiar has radical. E means one. Tu means divination. Ho means mouth. Ho means fire. Means sun. Ifu. Ifu. Ifu means clothes. Radicals are E, clothes, Yue, moon, Jie, seal, Yo, right hand. Ishang. Ishang means doctor. It has radical. Fang means box. Shi means arrow. Shang means life. Yuan means hospital. E has radical. Fang means box. Shi means arrow. Yuan has radical. Fu means mount. Mian means roof. Means two. Means sun.